Hey everyone, today we're taking a closer look at the Chicken Road app. Yes, that's really what it's called. It's listed on the Google Play Store, but don't let the quirky name fool you. This one got some serious red flags, so is Chicken Road a fun way to earn, or is it just another scam in disguise? Quick disclaimer as always, this review is based on personal opinion and independent research. I'm not affiliated with this app in any way, so please do your own research before putting money into any online platform. So, first, the app is published under the name Chicken Road on Google Play. It has a 1-star rating based on over 360 reviews, which is already a huge warning sign. Users report that the app used to be called For Rabbit, then suddenly changed to Parimatch, while people were still using it. If that sounded shady, it is. According to reviews, if you deposit money and don't log in daily, your money can disappear overnight. No refund, no warning. One user wrote, I deposited 500 something, but it just stayed in processing. The withdrawal button shows 0 and support doesn't help. Another said they use fake images about raising chickens. I got tricked and uninstalled. So, is Chicken Road a legit game? Honestly, it doesn't look like it. The rebranding, fake visuals, disappearing money, and total lack of customer support are all classic signs of a scam. If you're looking to earn or even just play casually, I'd say skip this one. You'll save time, money, and frustration if you do. Thanks for watching. If you've had any experience with the Chicken Road app or its previous names, drop your story in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Stay safe out there.